everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing fantastic. So it's a beautiful afternoon. You can see now the time is around 6:30 and we are in Aalborg, and now we are going to have a afternoon stroll, just evening stroll you can say. It's not evening, it's afternoon actually here because so much of sunlight is there. So I think it's afternoon, but technically it's evening. But anyway, so we'll go to a medical store first because I'll get my vitamins. First of all, there is one work, and then we'll go to a pizza store and then we'll have some pizza, because today in the night time for the dinner we are planning to have some pizza. And here in Denmark actually it's very tough to have chicken pizza because everywhere is like pork and beef pizza, and we like chicken pizza. So that's the reason we are just finding a good place to have some chicken pizza. And now we have found a place and we are going to that address. So I thought of okay, I'll vlog today and I'll start my vlog around this time. So please stay tuned and keep watching my vlog. So now we'll go straight and then we'll take a ride probably. This city is very new to us, still very new, because we have moved just 1 week back. So yeah, let's go and let's enjoy today's vlog. And please comment down below how many of you like pizza in your dinner. I mean random pizza party. How many of you like to have this kind of random dinner session? Please let me know in the comment section. So it's so much windy, I didn't get my clutcher, but that's fine. So okay, let's go. And now we are passing by Rima 1000 grocery chain. So my friends, you already have seen that in my previous vlog. So many of you liked that vlog as well. So I'll give the link in the description box. Please watch that. And so look at me, I'm wearing a very casual and simple jeans and this top, and with these my favorite sweaters. So we are enjoying our afternoon time. This area we didn't explore yet, but I think it's a restaurant. Here is a very famous restaurant, and there this is actually a place for rock concert. In this time, every Friday, they organize a rock program. So probably this weekend we are going to come here. If we come, then definitely I'll show. It's a beautiful park. And my friends, here I was telling you that this cafe is very popular. The name is Mumbai Cafe. We already have searched in internet that the rating of this restaurant, this snack store, is just so high. And people here in Aalborg, especially Indian people, they love to come here, especially in the weekends, to enjoy some desi type of food. So here I was telling you that. And here is a closer look of the signboard. Look at this, it's written over here Indian restaurant, but in Danish it feels like Indisk restaurant. So yes, we are going to come back here very soon to have some typical Indian food. So we are in the city of Aalborg less than 7 days, and this city is so new, brand new for us. I cannot tell you how much excited we feel to explore this new city, because we don't know much about this city, but we are exploring, we are walking around the city. It's a great pleasure. Aalborg also, my friends, like other Danish cities, is so well organized, super clean. I mean, cleanliness is God, we all know, so we even adore more this city for its super cleanliness and super hygiene. So now we are a little close to the city center. It will take 2-3 minutes more. Look at this, my friends. I have got Sailing here. It's my favorite shopping mall, and I'm so happy. I was telling Bikram that in Aarhus also used to shop a lot from Sailing, and now we have got it in Aalborg as well. So I'm really very excited. So my friends, I want to let you know about one of my subscribers Her name is Priyanka. She is a beautiful lady, very beautiful person. And she told me in my previous vlog that she wants to see more of the outside in my vlogs. So today is Wednesday when I planned, it was an unplanned vlog, that we'll make a little random vlog today. So I was thinking of Priyanka that she told me. So I hope Priyanka you are enjoying this. Please comment down below how you are enjoying. Today is Wednesday, that's the reason there is very less people here, but this is the main city center of Aalborg city. In this part there is a walking street and so many shopping malls and everything is there, and in this way I guess there is a river bank, right? Yes. Burger King is there. This city is quite quiet. I mean, it's not like very crowded like Aarhus. It's quiet, but it's the most happiest city in Europe. So that's the great thing, because people are here very happy, very lazy, very, not always in hurry. Actually, they are living their life peacefully with so much of calmness and tranquility. So that's the good thing about Aalborg. So now we are going to spend some time here, and then, the main thing is my vitamin store, Apothek. That store is closed. We thought of it will be open up to 8 o'clock, but it was closed. So probably tomorrow I'll be back again. And I can see there is a Starbucks also, right? Yes, in Sailing. And I'll definitely bring you back in Saturday, Sunday, so you'll get to see a lot of people here. And so now I think we have one thing left. We are going to have some pizza and then we'll be back home. So yeah, keep on watching. This is the pizza store where we are going to have some pizza. Erika pizza store. And my friends, now we are back home and we are watching October now. We have got our pizza, chicken pizza, and now we are sitting peacefully and we are going to enjoy our movie and our pizza dinner. So it was really an unplanned vlog. I told you in the first part of this vlog that it's going to be a super unplanned. It was just the exploration of this new city. I mean, whenever you are in a new city, you just feel so excited to see the new places, to see where you can find good pizza or where you can find good groceries. So it's just like that. So that's the reason after when Bikram came back from office, he told me, okay, let's go for a walk. So we went and I thought of, okay, for my viewers, for my lovely subscribers, I can make a random vlog. So hi my friends, I hope you have liked today's random vlog. It was not planned. We thought of we can shoot just a little part of today's evening. I hope you have enjoyed. So yes, this is the pizza arrangement here you have seen. So I'll taste this pizza and in my next vlog I'll tell you how this pizza tastes like, because I think it's gonna taste awesome. And with pizza, I'm a little health conscious, so I am not having any cold drinks or coke. So I'm having just pomegranate juice, and here is some candlelight arrangement, some extra spice. And now we are going to watch this movie, a beautiful movie, October. We didn't watch this movie before, so now we are going to enjoy pizza and some movie. So that's all about today's day, and I hope you have liked. And please let me know in the comment section how many of you like this kind of random midday celebration with some awesome food and some good movie. So okay, tata, bye bye, see you guys in my next vlog, in my next videos. Love you, bye bye.